In this video, we will learn about the mining industries. We have already completed some of the industries and there are some important industries that is remaining. So first of all, I am going to discuss about the fertilizer industry. Okay, so India is the third largest producer of nitrogenous fertilizers. There are about 57 fertilizer units manufacturing nitrogenous and complex nitrogenous fertilizers. Out of it, 29 are producing urea while 9 are producing ammonium sulfate, a bioproduct. Ammonium sulfate, it is a bioproduct. Okay. Nearly 68 other small units produce single superphosphate. At present, there are 10 public sector units or fertilizer industry and one it is in a cooperative sectors, and it is located in Gujarat near the Hazira oil refineries. Most of the fertilizer industries are located near the natural gas reserves because it provides good because it is a good source of raw materials. After grain revolution, fertilizer industries expanded to several other parts of the country because uh, agricultural sector has the great need of fertilizers. The main producer of fertilizer states are UP, Tamil Nadu, Punjab and Kerala, okay, etc. So in this way, we have completed the fertilizer industry. So you will write all the points. Now come to the cement industry. It is also most important industry. The first cement plant was set up in Chennai in the year 1904. Nowadays, there are 128 large plants and 332 mini cement plants are located in our country. This industry requires bulky and heavy raw materials such as limestone, silica, alumina and gypsum. For transportation, it is the requirement of railways because railway has ability to carry huge amount of goods. It is basically used for the construction such as factories, building, dams, roads, etc. Africa and South Asia is the greater importer of cement, while to generate adequate domestic demand, efforts are being made. Plant which is located in Gujarat that have suitable access to the market income. Uh, okay, the reason is what? The reason is it is easily export from one country from domestic country to rest of the world. Now come to the information technology. This industry has a major foreign exchange earner. Due to the development of IT businesses process, due to the development of IT means information technology, business processes outsourcing, that is known as BPO, sorry, BPO, BPOs, it is growing at a very fast rate in our country. Nowadays, the developed countries are outsourcing their business to India because in our country a number of uh, in our country the IT sector is well developed and the workers are available at a cheaper rate. The people are ready to do the work even at a small wage rate, and that's why the business processing outsourcing is growing in our country in the form of call centers medical transcription, etc. IT industry is good source of employment. It provides over 1 million persons employment opportunities and is also hoped that within few years the employment will increase up to 8 folds. Okay, so it indicates that IT sectors is a leading sector nowadays in the employment opportunities. It is encouraging to know, or you will be glad to know that about 30% of the people employed in these sectors are women. So this sector also giving the opportunities to the women to be empowerment. So it indicates that it is a good source of employment generations. Bangalore has emerged as the electronic capital of India. Except it, there are 18 software technology parks provide single window service and high data communication. Electronic centers are located in different parts of the country such as Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Lucknow, uh, etc. Next, come to the industrial pollution and environmental degradation. Due to the rapid growth and development of India's economy, pollution and land degradation have caused with rapid speed. As we know that industrial sector or the secondary sector is growing at a faster rate, so that our country may be a developed country in few decades. But it has also created the problems of different kinds of pollution, such as air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. Okay, so out of these I have taken some. First, that is the air pollution. It is caused by the presence of high proportion of undesirable gases, for example carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. A smoke is emitted by the chemical and paper factories, refineries, burning of fossil fuels, etc. As a result, it creates the toxic gases. So sometimes toxic gases leaks can be very hazardous with long-term effect. So it is adversely affects human health, animals, plants, and atmosphere as a whole. Here we can also take the example of Bhopal leakage gas. Uh, it was happened in so many years back, but its effect is still we are facing. So it indicates that the toxic gas is very harmful. Not only the people lose their life, but also they face uh, different kinds of problems generation to generations. Water pollution, that is the second problem. It is caused by organic and inorganic industrial wastes and a effluents discharge into the rivers. Most of the chemical, textile, refineries, industries, leather industries uh, are the culprit in this regard. When hot water from the factories and thermal plants is drained into the rivers and ponds before cooling, it directly affects the life of aquatic animal. So it is very dangerous for the aquatic animals. Waste from the nuclear plants always waste from the nuclear plants may cause the cancer, birth defects, and other diseases. Rainwater percolates to the soil, carrying the pollutants to the ground, and the groundwater also get contaminated. So in this way we find that water pollution is growing at a faster rate, which is harmful for the plants, animals, human beings, and so on. Due to this reason, we are also facing the problem of the crisis of water for the safe drinking water. So, it has a great impact on our, it will badly impact on our ecosystem. For the growth and development of the economy, the industries cannot be stopped in the production process, or or the production process cannot be stopped for the growth and development of the economy. So these problems will continue forever. Due to that, there are some suggestions which may reduce in the environmental degradation. Here, some suggestions are: first, minimizing use water, or try to use minimum water for processing and recycling and reusing. Second, that is the harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirements. Treating hot water and effluent before releasing them into the river so that the life of the aquatic animal can be protected. So these are some suggestions which may reduce the pollution from the atmosphere. In this way, this chapter has finished. Try to learn these points which will help you to give the answer in a proper way. Okay, thank you.